that is work done by R on gas. For example, do you know there is a law of gases, Boyle's law?
Yes.
What is that? That pressure is inversely proportional to volume, right? Pressure is inversely proportional to volume. And we believe this thing that we have P1 V1 equals to P2 V2. We have studied this also. I'm not getting in detail of that. And you also knew that if this is pressure and this is volume, then you will have this graph, right? Is it? Do you believe this all? And you have that previous knowledge. So let's say we have a gas, and in that gas container, I have a gas enclosed. Okay. And when I have a gas enclosed in that, its surface area is this. This is the surface area of that I mean that container. Okay, this is surface area, and there is a piston inside. This is the piston. Okay, and the gas is trapped with the help of that piston, and you have trapped the gas inside. So when you have trapped the gas inside, actually you just notice that with the help of this piston you can apply some force on that. For example, you're applying force inward, right? What is the force direction of force? You're applying the force inward, and here the gas has pressure P1 and its volume is V1. Got it? Now you did the same. You have just uh, you have just taken the second situation. That is that if we have another container, like same, I mean the same container, basically not other container. In that container, the basically this is its area, same. Unfortunately, this is not cooperating with me. Now this piston is shifted at this point, and the gas is having a force outward. Definitely, that is why the piston is shifted outward, right? The force direction of the force is this way. It means here pressure is P2 and volume is V2. But at this point, this distance was how much? It was 2 centimeter. And what is this distance? It is almost 3 centimeters. How much that is? It is almost 3 centimeters. So 1 centimeter distance has been changed by that one now. Is it? Do you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So how much distance is traveled by this? It is basically 1 centimeter. So if I say that the pressure of the gas is, what is pressure of the gas? Pressure of the gas is basically equals to F times, sorry, F divided by A. What is pressure? Pressure is equals to F divided by A. And here that force is simply force, and sorry, force will be equals to pressure into area, right? Did you notice that? Now I will
Yes.
say that okay, work done is equals to F into D, what the displacement has been done. So your force is pressure times area into D. So basically, the situation here is you have this uh, area into distance. So that is actually the volume. That is area into distance traveled is basically volume. So work done for a gas is equals to pressure times volume. Remember this thing. So we are asked about this question for a long time. I mean, sorry, frequently, that pressure is work done is equals to P into V. But usually we have this volume which is changing. For example, if you have a gas and its volume is changing from, I mean, the piston is shifted from this position. This is position A of that, position A of the piston, and that piston has been shifted to a position B. This is its position A. Let's say it is at 2 centimeter mark, and the piston has been shifted to this position. Let's say it is to 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeter mark, right? So what happened? Actually, the initial distance of the piston from the center is 2 centimeter. The final distance of the piston from the base is, 8 centimeter. Is it? It is 8 centimeter. So what change had happened? Actually, this is that change. This is final minus initial. So actually, this is your delta D. So when your delta D takes place, you simply say that in volume, area is constant and displacement is changed. That's why your work is equals to P delta V. Okay, just remember this thing, that you are supposed to use that one. Your pressure is P into delta V, where this is the volume. So this equation is used to calculate the pressure of the gas. And here, important thing important for this topic is P is a constant pressure. What is P? P is a constant pressure. Okay, and V changes due to force. So delta V is change in volume. Change in volume. Sometimes we are given with the questions in which only distance is supposed to change. So in that one, in case of cylinders in which pistons move, then your work done by that gas is P into A into change in displacement. This is, I'm writing it categorically, that this is the important factor. How much displacement has been taken place by that gas or by that piston, that actually defines your pressure. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. So that's it till today. Inshallah, we will discuss the next conversion of energy conversion in the next lesson, inshallah. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. See you then, inshallah.
Yes, sir. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.